Hey everyone, how is it going on? So today we will learn how to make money by watching videos, the way to entertain yourself and get paid. So in the current digital era, we are all equipped by digital platforms, starting from your smartphone to laptops and even the smart TVs now these days. So have you wondered how much time you spend over these devices combined? So if you check out the average screen time of an user, then that would be anywhere from 10 to 12 hours of the day. So that is really startling, but it is the way it currently works in the digital era. So what is the point of this and how it can help us to entertain and make some money at the same time? So to understand and the trick and methodology behind this, please keep watching this video until the end, and you could also start earning passive income right from the today if you apply the strategy in the right way. So some networks pay you to watch the videos also. Nevertheless, only a few of them are legit. Furthermore, the real issue is the pay rate. Okay, not all the platforms will be paying you a good amount of money per videos. Sometimes it's too low that you barely make like $100 a month. Okay, but it's a free money, and that's what we want to add up to our passive income that we are already doing it. Okay, so you don't have to sit all the day doing it. Okay, unless you want to really watch it first. Okay. Firstly, you need a bandwidth, okay, good amount of bandwidth to seamlessly stream these videos on your devices. Okay, sometimes you will be using the multiple devices. Sometimes it would be like single device also. Your earnings get to the rock bottom when videos aren't like buffering quick enough for you. Secondly, you need a payment account that's accepted by the network and your territory also. Fortunately, there are many payment processors to choose from, and PayPal is the most widely accepted on these platforms. Fortunately, where many already these payment processors are already in place, but you can also option out to get some gift cards or whatever they have offerings for you as per your territory. When these two conditions are met, you need to find a legit program that will pay you. So to make you search easier, here are like some platforms you can use to make money by watching the videos. Swapbucks is there, Netflix is there, Netflix tagging is the platform actually. Then Try My UI is there, user testing is there, user feel is there, Weagle, Perk TV, App Trailers, Successbucks, Ucubase, and Hideout. So you can never look up to these gigs as a mainstream income. Okay, as I told you in the start of the video, that you can barely make like 100 to 200 USDs per month. Okay, but this could be add up to your current passive income. So you can also start doing it, and you don't have to be watching the videos actually. Okay, you can also start playing them on the devices and leave it as it is if you don't have to stay there. And obviously it has to be investing in something bigger, because to make money watching videos is a good when you are starting out. That's exactly you have more time and less money also. Hope that you will also start with the other platforms like this and start making money with it. Feel free to ask the questions in the comment section below or message me directly so that you can have more clarity about this. But this video is not stopping here. We are also exploring the other platforms with which you can work and start making money, a decent amount of money by watching the videos. So what is the best website to in the world to get paid to watch the YouTube videos? That is the also question, because we spend a lot of time on the YouTube channel. Since you are also watching this video on the YouTube itself, you are already making like some efforts to dig out some information on the YouTube. In similar fashion, you are watching other videos on daily basis. What if the similar videos or similar time you are putting it in can make you money? Then here are some ideas. Survey Junkie, but it is only available for USA, Canada, Australia residents. Okay, then you can earn like $5 to $50 per day. They have already paid millions of dollars to their 10 plus million users or members just for sharing their thoughts and opinions on these videos. Then Swapbucks is also available. It is only available in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland. Okay, these residents are allowed, and they pay you to shop and watch videos at the same times. Then LifePoint is also another platform that is available only in UK, Australia, France, Spain, Germany, Singapore, then Hong Kong, Denmark, Finland, and Italy residents. So you can join their happy customer base also worldwide, which is available, and for the real rewards, you get bonus of like 10 LifePoint free points to join and confirm your email address also. Then there is another great channel, Meta Cafe is there. Meta Cafe is a website that allows you to earn money for your videos on like per view basis. Okay, so the system works on per view basis. Unlike YouTube, where you will be making on an average like $1 per 1,000 views. Okay, then the reports might vary for this one, but that's the current average that is going on. But on Meta Cafe, you can make like straight away $5 per 1,000 views. Okay, that is like 5 times more than YouTube. Since Meta Cafe doesn't have as a large site as YouTube does, so they will actually put new videos on the front page itself. So news feed style is always popping up your videos on the front page so that you can start making money. So this is a great way to score some views also. Then one platform that I have been using on multiple devices is the Hideout TV. Okay, the only genuine platform that happens to be paying me since like 2 years now, and I have already made worth money instead of just spending it from scrolling the thousands of reels on Instagram or shorts on the YouTubes. So positive thing about this platform is you get to install the app on your Fire TV. Okay, Amazon Fire TV, if you have heard about it. Then you can just have this stick plugged to your TV, and then you can just plug and play all the videos that are available on the Hideout. Hideout platform is already very big grown. Okay, there are millions of videos available and millions of different channels are there. It is similarly to the YouTube only. Okay, all the content that is available on the YouTube is available on the Hideout. So instead of watching the videos on YouTube, you can start watching it on the Hideout and start monetizing it. But how it works, how they will pay you money, or what is the way of generating the revenue. So whatever ads that will be shown on this platform will make them revenue. Okay, and from the same revenue, every user gets a share of generosity. This way, user keeps their engagement, and everyone gets paid to do so. Hideout TV pays you either like through the party websites, through their party websites. For example, Timebucks is there, Pointyplay is there, and other tons of GPT sites that which you already know, okay, or which on which you are already working. So if not interested in liquid cash, then you can just always get paid via popular gift cards available at their stores. So, but what is the way to like multiply these earnings? Then there is a best way by adding like multiple devices and referral program of Hideout TV. Hideout TV will give you like 15% share from your users. Okay, in any family there are like 4 to 5 members already available. Everybody is having smartphone these days. Okay, so what you can do is simply have your main account on your smartphone. Then you can start referring your family members also. Okay, but make sure that they will watch the videos on their own devices and using their own like internet. Okay, but you don't have to like connect all the connections to the Wi-Fi itself because that will be forfeited by the Hideout TV. They don't allow multiple IP signings from the same Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so what you will have to do is like you have to do the multiple signings from multiple accounts, but that is also genuine because every member is having different connections and they can have their own video watchings also. So the more ads will run on your devices, the more revenue that will be generated by Hideout, and that will be like sent to you as a reward. And also from the members of your family, you will get like 15% commission, and you can just cash it out from the platforms that I have already mentioned. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is a very genuine way, and you can start earning money by just watching the videos and entertaining yourself on the daily basis. Just what you are doing right now, but just for the revenue earning. Thank you guys.